Jones. I'm here to announce that I will be running for president of the universe, starting now.
Hey! I made it out! Oh, is Nova gonna be president?
Being in charge means never having to do what anyone says. Hey, McLaren, I'm never tied in my room again. Nova's on the move. Co-running.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
Nova Jones, lighting up the galaxy. Nova Jones, biggest star you've ever seen. Nova Jones, on tour with all my family. Nova Jones.
Nova, please don't do this just to avoid tidying your room. Being a president is a really real and important thing. It actually means caring about other people, not just yourself.
Did you really not notice I was missing for 2 days?
In fairness, I spent most of those 2 days telling Digit my Jefferson Parkin stories. Fascinating, weren't you, Dig?
Now, for the vital question. What does a president wear?
What about policies, Nova? What platform will you run on?
I was thinking 7-inch with a silver heel.
Not platform shoes. I mean, the platform where you stand for something.
Right. I stand for shoes.
Nova, please. Being president is actually about caring for people. You're a great pop star, but you're also the kind of person who loses Sid in her own mess.
Sid! I need Sid. Sid, I want you to be my spin doctor.
Really?
Because I've always wanted to spin records.
I've been practicing, and it's not that kind of spin.
Isn't it?
In a shock late entry, the latest candidate is McLaren.
I'm Lick Lemon. Lama Ken. Glamarin?
Well, one candidate who isn't rubbish on television is Nova Jones.
McLaren, I cannot believe you're doing this.
Nova, please. I'm doing this for the good of the universe. Give up.
No, shan't. I'll be a brilliant president.
But Nova Jones, while currently popular with young voters, oldies and crumblies say they like candidate honk. What are you doing to appeal to voters as old as 27?
Well, I'm...
Nova actually works with a very old and doddery captain, and he thinks she's great.
I'm only 34.
He's my most distinguished supporter. Tell them about your career as a space captain.
Can I? Oh, sure. Let me tell you about a little driving maneuver that I like to call nudge the ship in front.
Nova, you're putting the captain on telly now?
He believes in my platform. Not the shoe one.
He's just glad of the attention.
And once, I was challenged to a duel by Bart Christmas, the galaxy's meanest delivery driver.
And I'm pretty sure he's just making stuff up.
I'm not dropping out. I'm not tied in my room, and that's it. Put that in your algorithm. And yes, I did say gorilla rhythm right. I'm actually very clever. You're the silly, blubbering, stupid head.
What Nova meant to say is that she respects your abilities and intelligence and hopes she can count on your vote.
I'm running against her. Rude. I need to talk to you.
What are you doing? I was beating everyone.
No, you weren't. Punk was winning because people love a clown. And I've been using the algorithm to cheat, which is so wrong.
You've been using the gorilla rhythm.
You can't say algorithm properly now.
I just don't want to.
I want us to drop out. Both of us.
I'm not tied in my room.
Nobody wants a president who won't tidy her room. But it also shouldn't be someone who steals everyone's lollipops. we could help Isla Very One win. Frances Frond totally backs her.
Of course, you want the boring one to win.
Sensible. Sensible is good. Sensible is how I get you out of trouble every week. Imagine a McLaren for the whole universe.
Oh. When I imagine that, it's pretty great.
Isla genuinely wants to help everyone everywhere.
But she's boring. That's why nobody notices her. She just bores around boringly, being a bore, like...
I'll be your hero and I'll be your light. Give me your trust, I'll stand, I'll fight. I'll be in your corner and I'll lead the way.
Gosh.
I'll be your sun on a cloudy day. All we need is love.
Terms and conditions apply. Movement kit only available while stocks last.
It's the toy that loves you back. The pet that never runs away. It's your...
You can sing! A sensible who can sing. Why don't you sing? Why aren't you a singer? Can we get a spotlight and a microphone over here?
Oh, no. I just do that for me. I mean, I adore singing, but I want to be taken seriously. I got into this to make a difference, not make myself famous. People should ask for my help, not my autograph.
To help people, you're willing to, like, hide your talent.
That's why Frances Frond and the Plants like you. They love a voice that can help them grow.
I just want to help everyone grow, but I guess I'm not gonna win.
Welcome back from the commercial break McLaren asked for. Honestly, after this, I'm going back to Kids TV, hosting the Gun Zone. Anyway, time for final statements. Who'd like to go first?
Me! Oh, shush. When I became president, I planned to go right back to singing. To let the universe just sort of get on with itself.
Just as I predicted.
And to beat Nova, I was going to show some terrible images. And I was willing to cheat. I was using fans' data to predict what I should do next. Be careful what you agree to online, people. Don't just click yes to everything.
And I let the captain lie about his big space career to win the oldie vote. He's 34.
You shouldn't vote for people like us.
But you can vote for someone who really cares.
Someone who isn't selfish. Like him.
Who'd sacrifice herself to make your lives better.
So, we're dropping out of the race.
Both of us. So everyone, vote for Isla Very One.
And was that when you first realised you were fibbing?
Fibbing is too small a word for it. That spaceship chase I was in, that was actually from Jenny Forever 5, Forever's Not Never.
Well, you know what that means. It's